Hello, friends. Okay, so it is Monday, the 23rd of October, and we are looking at the best curbside deals over at Walgreens. And what curbside is you're ordering this stuff through a cell phone, tablet, desktop computer, hitting that left hand box with the red check, ordering everything again through the app, driving to the store, and picking up your order. And that is lovingly called a curbside order or a pickup order. We have WAG 10 for 10% off, an extra 15% off when you spend 25 with October the 15th, that code. And the third code is an extra 20% off when you're spending 50 plus with October 20th. If you're more of a shopper that likes to shop in store, you're not about these, curbside offers. I made a video yesterday where I was getting deals in store. Any deal with a register reward specifically, you got to do it in store, but I'll link this video at the very end. And finally, before we dive into these deals, if you could do me a huge kindness and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would really mean the world to me. Okay, so deal number one, baby oh baby. We're going to be stacking these two boosters digitally. And a lot of you were saying, I'm going to need this for an upcoming baby shower, or you just wanted this stuff for your kids. The prices of these diapers this week, even if you don't have a baby shower on the books, I would still grab it because if you have one in the next year, these prices are the cheapest we've seen all year. Okay, so for this basket, we're going to grab two of the Pampers Easy Ups. And I know I made a video yesterday and I did a post yesterday saying it wasn't working, but this morning it is. So maybe they programmed everything in correctly. 2 for $21, an extra $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy two. And then 2 bags of the Pampers Baby Wipes. We're going to load the following digitals. I have a $3.50 off of one that's supposed to expire, but it's still attaching this morning. So I'm using that along with a $2 digital. Yours might be a little different than mine, but it's working for whatever stupid reason. And then for the wipes, there's a $1.50 IVC coupon, but it's not going to affect your total. And just to show you the digitals and how they're coming off. And then here's the IVC coupon. So that is a $1.50 off of the balance. So looking at the overall basket, it is $28, subtracting the IVC. We're still at that $25 threshold to use the spend 25, get back 7, and then the spend 20, get back 5. Curbside pickup is free. We have a bit of tax. We have $5.50 in digitals coming off, a $3.50 and a 2 for the Pampers. With your debit card, pay $22.59, and you're getting back $17.28, making this a super, super deal. And definitely check the different rebate apps in case there might be a rebate for these Pampers as well. Okay, so I'm not going to make like a bunch of baby offers, but a lot of the food and then the Johnson & Johnson like lotions and shampoos also part of this. So when you're looking in the app, see how it says 7 back, spend 25, it's written in red. You're looking for that specific verbiage. For a lot of these Gerber snacks and stuff as well, there's an IBOTTA rebate that popped up this morning and it is $5 back when you buy 5. I would definitely do this one in store because you want to ensure you're grabbing the right stuff that's working with this rebate. So, there's that as well if you're looking for baby food. Okay, so deal number 2. These is just going to be a meat and potatoes kind of a deal. We're grabbing 2 of these COVERGIRL mascaras on a buy one, get one 50% off for $9.43. We have this digital coupon, $2 off of an eye product. And then Shopmium also has the same rebate. You're only using one digital coupon, so you can apply for the second one with Shopmium. And IBOTTA has a $3 back that is attaching to that specific mascara. So pay attention to that. If you want to scan these in store, you can also do that if you don't want to do this one as a curbside offer. We're also going to throw into the basket one of these Mr. Cleans for $3.29, typically $5.29, so a bit of savings right there. And we have this dollar digital. Please make sure you have it loaded. Going to throw in also 2 of these bathroom tissues for $1.58 because we're going to use a code with this. So the $1 Mr. Clean, the $2 COVERGIRL, and WAG 10 to save an extra 10% off. So $1.13 melting off. The overall basket is $14.30. The promotion code $1.13 off with WAG 10, free curbside pickup, tax $3 digital coming off. $10.96. I personally would use $10 in Walgreens cash. And then you're going to make that $2 submission to Shopmium, and then $6 back for IBOTTA, so you're getting $8 back, so it makes your basket like $3-ish and change. I think that's a very good deal, and make sure you get a receipt when you are picking this up as a curbside offer. At the photo counter, mention it to the cashier, and they will scan it through the regular cash and not with the handheld Zebra, so you will get that physical paper receipt for Shopmium and IBOTTA. The next deal that we're looking at is deal number 3. Now, this one I really like. We're going to grab one of these Swiffer kits for $19.99. Load this digital coupon, which is a 5 off of a Swiffer kit. We're going to grab a bag of the Walgreens Epsom salt, and then 3 of the big roll toilet papers for $2.37. Load this digital coupon, $1.50 off for the Epsom salt. And to get that math to balance, we're also going to throw in our best friend, which is the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, always handy to have, and load that digital dollar coupon as well. Just to show you, I used the code OCT15 for $3.26 off, Swiffer $5 off, Mr. Clean $1 off, and the Epsom salt $1.50 off. So the overall basket is $29.26. Oct 15, $3.26 coming off. Curbside pickup is free. $7.50 in digital's coming off. $20.06. I personally would use $20 in Walgreens cash and pay 6 cents and call this a very good deal. Next deal that we're going to look at is deal number 4. We need our best friend loaded here, which is 5 back when you spend 20. For this one, we're going to kind of go fancy and grab that $79.99 electric toothbrush by Oral-B. There's a promotion on this to spend $50, get back $15 in Walgreens cash, so $20 back with the 2. Load this digital coupon, which is a $10 off, and it's working with the IO3, which is the $79.99 toothbrush. So using OCT20, we're getting $14 off along with our $10 digital. So that's a bit of savings right there. The overall basket, here it is, $14 off with the IVC, $10 digital, $59.95 with your debit card, and you're getting back $21. I mean, not the best deal, but if you are in desperate need for one of these fancier brushes, make it happen. With Halloween right around the corner, let's look at a quick deal to feed some trick-or-treaters. We're going to put 2 of these DiGiorno Rising Crust pizzas in your basket for $6.99 a pop for $13.98. And load this digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2. Because I'm using the promotion code WAG10, I'm a little short, so I'm going to throw in one of these toilet papers. If you want to grab some candy, go for that, but I always throw in toilet paper. The DiGiorno digital's coming off along with WAG10, subtracting $1.18. So looking at the overall basket, guys, it's $14.77. WAG10, $3 digital, $10.63. If you have $10 in Walgreens cash, I would use it and pay the 63 cents. Okay, the last thing I want to touch on before I take off, I think the candy deal is going to be happening the 25th and 26th, which is Wednesday and Thursday, where some of these are going to collide. I know a lot of you want to stock up on the Halloween candy, but you just kind of have to wait for it, and I apologize about that. But one good piece of info is this. We have a digital coupon, a 4 off of 2. Load it, and we will talk more about candy Wednesday moving forward. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.